Hey everyone, aka Jua here. Today we're diving into a critical topic that often goes unnoticed, the nocturnal signs of diabetes. Many of us consider nighttime a period for rest and recovery, but our bodies can exhibit crucial signals during these hours that shouldn't be ignored. If you find yourself waking up frequently to use the bathroom, feeling unusually thirsty, or experiencing night sweats, it's time to pay attention. These symptoms might be your body's way of signaling an underlying health issue, potentially diabetes. Join me as we explore the top 9 nocturnal signs of diabetes and discuss why they shouldn't be overlooked. Understanding these signs can be a game changer in managing or even preventing diabetes. As we begin, let's talk about one of the most common nighttime disturbances, increased urination. This condition, medically known as nocturia, isn't just about drinking too much water before bed. It could be an indicator of high blood sugar levels. When your body can't regulate sugar properly, your kidneys work overtime to filter and absorb excess glucose. If they can't keep up, the sugar is expelled through urine, leading to frequent bathroom trips. This disruption not only affects your sleep quality, but could also be a subtle hint from your body that something isn't right with your sugar levels. It's important to monitor how often this occurs and discuss it with your healthcare provider if it becomes a regular pattern. Moving on to another nighttime nuisance, excessive thirst. Waking up feeling parched might not just be because you didn't drink enough water during the day. In the context of diabetes, high blood sugar levels lead to increased urination, which then causes dehydration. This cycle of dehydration and excessive thirst is a classical sign of diabetes known as polydipsia. If you find yourself frequently reaching for a glass of water at night, it might be time to check your blood sugar levels. This symptom is particularly insidious because while it seems harmless, it reflects significant disturbances in your body's ability to manage glucose. Next, let's discuss night sweats. Often mistaken for a room that's too warm or too many blankets, night sweats can actually be a manifestation of hypoglycemia in people with diabetes. Hypoglycemia occurs when your blood sugar drops too low. Your body reacts by increasing adrenaline, which can cause sweating. This isn't just uncomfortable, it's a warning sign that your blood sugar levels need attention. If you're experiencing night sweats regularly, it's crucial to monitor your glucose levels and possibly adjust your diet, medication, or both, under the guidance of your healthcare professional. Another symptom not to be overlooked is dry mouth during the night. This isn't just a simple annoyance, it's often linked with high blood sugar levels. When there's too much glucose in your bloodstream, your body pulls fluid from tissues, including the salivary glands, leading to dryness. A dry mouth is not only uncomfortable, but can also lead to further complications like dental health issues. If you notice this symptom frequently during the night, it may be a cue to get your blood sugar levels checked. Keeping hydrated and maintaining good oral hygiene can help alleviate this symptom, but addressing the root cause is crucial. Discomfort during the night, whether from itching or pain, can significantly disrupt your sleep. This chapter focuses on how such discomforts, often stemming from diabetic symptoms, lead to sleep disturbances. High blood sugar levels can cause neuropathic pain and itching due to nerve damage, making it difficult to find a comfortable sleeping position. Moreover, the anxiety from persistent discomfort can itself hinder sleep, creating a vicious cycle of sleeplessness and stress, which can further exacerbate diabetes symptoms. Recognizing and treating these underlying symptoms can greatly improve sleep quality and overall health. Waking up with a headache can be a harsh start to the day. For individuals with diabetes, this can be a common occurrence. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels during the night, both high and low, can lead to headaches. These fluctuations affect your brain's vascular system, leading to the expansion or constriction of blood vessels, which causes pain. Regular monitoring of your blood sugar levels can help manage or prevent these painful mornings. If you notice a pattern in these headaches, particularly if they coincide with other symptoms discussed today, it might be time for a deeper examination of your blood sugar management. Now let's shed some light on how diabetes can affect your eyes, particularly at night. Blurred vision can be particularly noticeable when you're trying to navigate in low-light conditions. High blood sugar levels can cause the lens of your eye to swell, changing your ability to focus. This symptom can come and go, But if it becomes persistent, it's a serious red flag. Regular eye exams are crucial for anyone with diabetes, as catching and managing these changes early can prevent more severe vision problems down the road. Itchy skin at night, often without a visible rash, can be another perplexing symptom of high blood sugar levels. The dryness associated with high glucose levels can sap moisture from your skin, making it dry and itchy. This can be particularly noticeable during the quiet of the night when there are fewer distractions and more focus on bodily sensations. Managing blood sugar levels and using moisturizers can help alleviate this symptom, but as always, addressing the underlying cause, high blood sugar, is key to long-term relief. Finally, we must discuss unexplained fatigue. Feeling tired after a full night's sleep could be an indication that your body is working harder than it should to regulate blood sugar levels. In diabetes, high blood sugar can prevent glucose from entering your cells where it's converted into energy, leading to persistent tiredness. This can significantly affect your quality of life, making even simple tasks feel daunting. Recognizing this symptom as a potential sign of diabetes can help you take steps towards managing your condition more effectively and regaining your energy. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the nocturnal signs of diabetes. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards taking control of your health. Nighttime symptoms are often overlooked, but as we've discussed, they can provide critical insights into your body's glucose management. If you've noticed any of these signs, consider speaking with a healthcare professional. Early detection and management can make a significant difference. Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, taking action today can lead to a healthier tomorrow. Until next time, stay vigilant and take care of your health.